Are you tired of rolling blackouts disconnecting you from the internet?
Dad, the power is out again. The internet is gone too.
Here at Diaz Tech Solutions, we will design and implement a solution to keep you online during challenging times. Using Starlink technology and an uninterrupted power supply that delivers power directly to your internet systems, we can keep you online during power outages and natural disasters. Are you also tired of paying high prices for unreliable internet services that sometimes go down or slow down when many users are online? At Diaz Tech Solutions, we can take care of that for you too. With our services, we will install Starlink for you and help you create a Starlink account so you can pay a fair market price for your internet service. This service provides high-speed internet for multiple devices, enabling the entire family to enjoy it simultaneously. My name is Bryan Díaz, and I'm the CEO at Diaz Tech Solutions. More than that, I'm a proud resident of Puerto Rico who faces the same struggles that you do. But why should you hire us for our services? We are locals with the expertise who understand Puerto Ricans' technological challenges and living conditions. We care about professionalism. We will not only install your system professionally, but also treat you with the utmost respect, ensuring we meet your technology needs. We use only trusted systems that ensure you maintain power during outages and deliver the best home internet coverage you can ask for. Because at Diaz Tech Solutions, you are what matters the most.